Hey traders and investors, it's Miami Option with your pre-market update on the market, and it's August 17th, 2022. It's been a wild ride in the market. It's been ripping higher as we'll look at BBBY that did a complete rip off yesterday. Went from 15 to $28, and it's still going strong even after its run. So are we going to see a pullback today, or is it going to go to 40? Is it going to 50? We never know. But it's coming in with a lot of volume. So what we expect is the the path of least resistance is usually higher. But as you look at the trend for BBY, let's look at a 2 year. It's lower. We've had these pops before, and it consolidated lower. Pops, drops. Pops, then drop. Pop and drop. And I'll say this, BBY, Bath Body and Beyond isn't revolutionizing whatever it does. There's other people that's doing, other companies that's doing exactly what it's doing on similar scales. It's not reinventing the wheel, but this will eventually die down. You know, where are you going to buy your puts? Where are you going to short? Depends on you. Depends on your tolerance, risk tolerance in this market. And also, let's look at another runner, APRN. The same thing goes to who's buying Blue Apron. I don't know who's buying Blue Apron, but you know what? You can't go against the market when everybody's buying a particular stock, and these FOMO traders, those who are just going after the market bets, whatever they call them. You have to go with what the stock is telling you. This chart right here, this 2 year chart is telling you it's had pops in the past, and it completely faded it out. Pops fade, pops, and it will fade out. So is it today? Is it tomorrow? You have to know. You can put a month out and see what happens, and see if it goes back down, consolidates back down to two. You have to pick. You have to make the decision. And looking at the overall market, let's look at the SPY. The SPY has been ripping higher, but today it's about 3 points lower on the SPY, and just the overall market is lower. Even when you look at QQQ, it's lower as well, but not significantly. The Fed's supposed to be making some sort of announcement today. Whatever it is, you cannot. You just got to go with the market, regardless of what goes on in the market. If it's some sort of news, some sort of CPI data release, you have to go with what the market is telling you is going. For the past month, month and a half, since July, it's been ripping a little. It's been bouncing, but you got to look at the overall picture. It wants to pull back some more. It was getting oversold, so it's giving some relief here. So what we need to do as traders and investors, pick where our entries are. If we're trading intraday and we're looking at something like SPY, will we see a rally just like we saw on Monday? Will we buy some more stock, or will we sell short on these particular names? You have to make your decision. And we're still going strong on that account, and we're going in within a year. We said beginning of August, we're making our way to a million. We're making our way to a million, flipping each and every day, making calculated and firm decisions, and we're sticking to it, and we're not getting into any kind of great risk in our investment portfolio. We want to make very calculated risk to our overall portfolio, so that we can grow it, especially on that trading account. And what I told you guys, I'm trying to get it to $1 million by next year, and I need all the support. Share and subscribe. See you guys next week.